Welcome to our YouTube channel, dedicated to empowering beginners in the world of digital marketing. In this video, we will explore the fundamental strategies and techniques that can help you generate a sufficient income through digital marketing. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or transition to a full-time digital marketing career, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the digital marketing landscape. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and more. As a beginner, it's important to familiarize yourself with the various channels and tactics available, so you can identify the areas that align with your skills and interests. 2. Identifying your niche and target audience. To succeed in digital marketing, it's crucial to define your niche and identify your target audience. By understanding the specific needs, preferences, and pain points of your audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts to effectively reach and engage them. This targeted approach will increase your chances of generating a sustainable income. 3. Building a strong online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is key to attracting clients and customers. Start by creating a professional website or blog that showcases your skills, expertise, and portfolio. Additionally, leverage social media platforms to engage with your target audience, share valuable content, and build your personal brand as a digital marketer. 4. Offering valuable services. As a beginner, consider offering services that align with your skills and expertise. This could include website design, content creation, social media management, email marketing campaigns, or SEO optimization. Start by offering your services at competitive rates to attract clients and build a portfolio of successful projects. 5. Continuous learning and skill development. Digital marketing is a dynamic field that requires continuous learning and skill development. Stay updated with industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies. Invest in online courses, attend webinars, and join digital marketing communities to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the competition. 6. Networking and collaboration. Building a strong network within the digital marketing community is invaluable. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with professionals in the field. Collaboration opportunities may arise, leading to joint ventures, referrals, or mentorship, which can significantly enhance your earning potential. 7. Scaling your business. As you gain experience and build a client base, explore ways to scale your digital marketing business. Consider outsourcing tasks, hiring additional team members, or expanding your service offerings. This will allow you to take on more clients, increase your income, and achieve financial sustainability. Digital marketing offers abundant opportunities for beginners to generate a sufficient income. By understanding the digital marketing landscape, defining your niche, building a strong online presence, offering valuable services, continuously learning, networking, and scaling your business, you can unlock the path to financial success. Stay committed, remain adaptable, and embrace the ever-evolving nature of digital marketing. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards generating a sustainable income through digital marketing. We wish you great success in your digital marketing endeavors.